Okay, so you're looking to remove an employee from Podio. Huh? Well, let's get right into it. What's the story behind this? Before we dive into the technical steps, I'm curious about the context. Is this a recent hire who didn't work out? Maybe there was a disciplinary issue? Understanding the reason behind the removal can help us tailor the process and ensure it's handled smoothly. Who are you in this situation? Are you a team leader, workspace administrator, or even the company owner? Your role will determine the specific steps you can take and the permissions you'll need. Podio's workspace structure. It's important to understand how Podio's workspaces are set up. Workspaces are like virtual offices where teams collaborate on projects and tasks. Each workspace has members, and their roles determine what they can access and do within the space. Removing an employee from a workspace. Here's the step-by-step process for removing an employee from a Podio workspace. Log in as a workspace administrator. Only workspace administrators can remove members. If you're not an admin, you'll need to ask the workspace administrator to do it for you. Go to the Workspace's activity page. Click on the Activity tab in the workspace you want to manage. Click on the Manage Members tile. This tile is usually located on the right side of the activity page. Find the employee you want to remove. A list of all workspace members will appear. Locate the employee you want to remove. Click Actions and then Remove from Workspace. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Remove to confirm. Additional considerations. Removing an admin. If the employee you're removing is a workspace administrator, you'll need to appoint a new admin before removing them. Transferring ownership. If the employee you're removing is the workspace owner, you'll need to transfer ownership to another member before removing them. Deactivating users. If you want to completely remove the employee from your Podio organization, you can deactivate their user account. This will delete all of their data and access to all workspaces. Removing an employee from Podio can be a straightforward process, but it's important to understand your role and the workspace structure to ensure you do it correctly. Remember to consider the reason behind the removal and handle the situation with sensitivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on Podioing.